In today's foraged flower arranging tutorial, we are going to go foraging for flowers on some of my favorite trails, and then we are going to learn 2 garden style arrangements. These are DIY flowers you can do at home with foraged flowers, and you can create this Mother's Day flowers DIY using foraged flowers from your neighborhood for an ultra special gift for a sister, mother, or friend. To head out to forage flowers in the morning or the evening when the flowers are most hydrated. Don't worry too much though, we are going to cover a conditioning process for flowers. You can bring a bucket with water, but it's usually more convenient to just bring a basket like I do. So when you get the flowers home, you want to put them in water right away, and if you can, submerge some of the flowers completely in water. I like to arrange everything by stem length and by variety and then by color. So for the jam jar posy, which is our first tutorial, we will start out by removing the leaves from the bottom portion of the stems, okay? This is part of the conditioning process, and this ensures that there won't be too much bacteria in the water from leaves and debris. It will ensure that your flowers last as long as possible. So for this bouquet, we are using the hand-tied bouquet technique. And so what you want to do is hold the flowers in your non-dominant hand and add the flowers with your other hand. Okay, don't worry too much about it. This is a simplified version of the hand-tied bouquet technique. It's good to get a little primer in this technique. So go ahead and add the stems and then turn the bouquet every time you add a few stems and look at it and see if you like it. The idea with this is that you will be creating a little bouquet that looks beautiful from all sides. So just keep adding and turning. I love to add tall grasses at the end. And these make such sweet floral gestures for friends, really any time of the year. But Mother's Day is especially a lovely time to bring someone a little jam jar posy, leave it on their doorstep. So just keep adding the stems, see if you like it. I love to add a lot of texture. So next, we'll just tie it into the bouquet with the twine and secure it, and then you can present it just as a bouquet. You could wrap it in paper or fabric or tie it to someone's doorknob. But it can be presented just like this, and they can put it in their own container. If you like, you can use a recycled jar for an eco-friendly floral gift. Just fluff it a little bit, and you might have to change a few stems around, but it works really well to arrange it in your hand first and then to put it in the jar. So that's the little jam jar posy. For a fun little eco-friendly flower gift. Okay, let's move on to our elegant fresh flower composition in a pitcher. Again, you want to remove the leaves from the bottom portion of the stems, and then we're going to start out with 2 mallow stems. Create 1 short and 1 tall, okay? And then I'm adding in a honeysuckle to really extend from the vase. This adds a lot of length and negative space and movement. And then I filled in with grasses, a little more honeysuckle on the bottom, but really this is only about 15 stems. And the nice part about it is that the pitchers have kind of this narrow neck, so they work really well for vases.